Welcome to the future, where artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing our world. At the forefront of that revolution is OpenAI's ChatGPT, the groundbreaking AI chatbot everyone is talking about. If you don't know how to use ChatGPT yet, this crash course will help you catch up on using the world's most popular AI model. ChatGPT is revolutionizing communication, providing powerful new ways to interact with technology. It redefines our interactions, making conversations with machines more natural and intuitive. ChatGPT is seamlessly integrating into our daily lives, becoming indispensable. The pace of AI development is accelerating, with groundbreaking discoveries happening constantly. This rapid evolution is opening up thrilling new possibilities. ChatGPT holds the promise to tackle some of the world's most pressing challenges and enhance our abilities in countless ways. Understanding ChatGPT and its far-reaching implications is essential for every person. With this knowledge, we can harness ChatGPT's potential to create a future that benefits all of humanity. Stay tuned to discover how you can master ChatGPT and be part of this exciting journey. ChatGPT is a powerful example of AI in action. It is a large language model chatbot developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT can understand and generate human-like text, making it a game-changer in the world of AI. It uses deep learning, allowing it to process information and learn from data. It is trained on a massive dataset of text, which allows it to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. ChatGPT can even adapt its communication style, mimicking different writing styles and tones. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its versatility. It can perform a wide range of language-related tasks. These tasks include writing different kinds of content like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, answering your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange, and trying its best to follow your instructions and complete your requests thoughtfully. ChatGPT is still under development, yet it has already learned to perform many kinds of tasks. Its capabilities are constantly expanding. As OpenAI continues to refine ChatGPT, we can expect even more impressive feats of language generation and understanding from this groundbreaking AI tool. Getting started with ChatGPT is a straightforward process. You need to create a free account on the OpenAI website. The sign-up process is simple. You can sign up using your email address or a Google or Microsoft account. Once you have an account, you can access ChatGPT. Simply navigate to the ChatGPT section on the OpenAI website. You will find a text box where you can start typing your requests. ChatGPT is ready to interact with you and is accessible from various devices, such as your computer, tablet, or smartphone. This accessibility makes it convenient to use ChatGPT from anywhere. Now that you have access to ChatGPT, you can start exploring its capabilities. Experiment with different prompts and requests, and discover the many ways ChatGPT can assist you with your language-based tasks. Interacting with ChatGPT for the first time can be an exciting experience. To start, simply type your request or question in the chat box. For instance, you could ask ChatGPT, "What are the latest advancements in artificial intelligence?" Once you've typed your prompt, press enter to send it to ChatGPT. The model will process your request and generate a response. ChatGPT's response will appear in the chat window, directly below your initial prompt. As you read ChatGPT's response, pay attention to the language, style, and information provided. You can ask follow-up questions or provide additional instructions based on the response. ChatGPT will remember the context of the conversation and tailor its responses accordingly. Remember that ChatGPT is still under development, and its responses may not always be perfect. However, it's an incredibly powerful tool for generating creative content, getting information, and exploring the potential of language models. Crafting effective prompts is crucial for getting the most out of ChatGPT. A well-structured prompt provides clear instructions and context, enabling ChatGPT to generate more accurate and relevant responses. When formulating your prompts, start with a specific objective in mind. What do you want ChatGPT to accomplish? Whether it's writing a poem, summarizing a news article, or translating text, clearly state your desired outcome. Next, provide any necessary context or background information. If you're asking for a creative writing piece, specify the genre, tone, and target audience. The more information you provide, the better equipped ChatGPT will be to fulfill your request. Finally, review and refine your prompt for clarity and conciseness. Avoid ambiguity and use precise language to convey your intentions. By mastering the art of prompt crafting, you can unlock ChatGPT's full potential and achieve remarkable results. One of ChatGPT's most remarkable capabilities is its ability to engage in natural and coherent conversations. Unlike traditional chatbots that rely on pre-programmed responses, ChatGPT can adapt to the flow of conversation and provide contextually relevant answers. When engaging in a conversation with ChatGPT, treat it as you would a knowledgeable and articulate individual. Ask open-ended questions, share your thoughts and ideas, and allow the conversation to unfold organically. ChatGPT's conversational prowess makes it an invaluable tool for brainstorming, exploring complex topics, and simply having engaging discussions. It can provide different perspectives, challenge your assumptions, and inspire new ways of thinking. As you continue to interact with ChatGPT conversationally, you'll discover its ability to learn from your input and tailor its responses to your individual communication style, creating a truly personalized conversational experience. The emergence of ChatGPT marks a significant milestone in the evolution of artificial intelligence. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text has profound implications for various industries and aspects of our daily lives. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated and capable language models like ChatGPT to emerge. These models will revolutionize the way we communicate, create, and interact with the world around us. It's essential to approach AI with a balance of excitement and cautious optimism. While AI offers tremendous potential for progress, it's crucial to address ethical considerations and ensure that AI development aligns with human values. By embracing the transformative power of AI while remaining mindful of its potential challenges, we can shape a future where AI empowers us, expands our horizons, and creates a more equitable and prosperous world for all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to learn more information about the latest AI tools.